funny, they love the wind blowing. They love facing into the wind. Don't you, darlings? Show your big wind machine. 22nd of March, 2023. Look at all these gorgeous, gorgeous creatures. Yes, you are. Hello, everybody. Hello, my darlings. Hey, 2nd of March. Hello, babies. I'm in with the baby dude, Anna and Ella. Hello. Hello, my darlings. Hello. And and Audrey. I'm calling you Audrey. And there's Jack. Hello, babies. Yeah, hello. Yeah, and then Mum. Mummy, with the 2 lovely eggs. Look at your eggs. You're so gorgeous. You got more eggies. Good girl. There you go, loving shallow. Oh, they're at it again. Right, so it's the 22nd, and here's Anna and Ella. And they're both 4 weeks old. Ella was 4 weeks old on Monday. Anna, 4 weeks old today. Neon colours. Astonishing. Each, what have you got? You've got dark blue, navy blue. You've got light blue. Dad. There's Dad still feeding baby. Good boy. It's the 22nd of March, 2023. Hello, darlings. Look at you. My, how you've grown to that poop fest today. Here we go. Here we go, darlings. Hello. Look at you. So this is the younger one of the younger ones of Sheila and Prince. Prince is feeding one of the babies, so I can't really do the nest right now. Quite interesting because Prince and Jack are out, and Prince is talking to Jack as though he's chatting him up. So it's nice to see them having a good old social rather than fighting. Right, so now in this angle I can see the greeny yellow of these ones. This is the only one who's sort of lost out in the colour stakes. He's got the white and the grey and a little bit of black. Interesting. Sort of. And then we got the greeny and black and the blue black. These are Sheila and Prince's babies, and of course Mum is there. She's got all those colours. But again, so 22nd of March. Now we're looking at the youngest crew. Hello, darlings. Here we go. We've got Sparkles and Charlotte's babies. Look at you. You ready to come out for a nice clean? Good baby. There we go. That's calmer now, aren't you? I had to move about a little bit. That's why you were all scrumming around. Look at you. Yeah, relax now. Look at that face. Look at those eyes. Eh? Look at the gorgeous cutie patooties. Look at your poopy nest. I need to clean up. Still feeding. That is Ella right there. Good boy, Jack. There you go. Good boy. Good. So there's Aunt on the right and Audrey on the left. Used to be Aura, but Audrey's got a bit of an attitude, so I've renamed you. Before you go out to the aviary, the name is the name is not determined necessarily. All right, darling, do you want to come here? And there's Ella with the blue body. Huh? I think you're going to try and fly. I do. You're 4 weeks old today? You're going to fly? You are, you know. Here we go. We've still got Ella being fed through the bars now. That's interesting. It's a novel way to do it. Oh, good girl. Good boy, right. Your nest is ready. Your clean nest awaits you, darling. You ready? Yeah. Look at you, all gorgeous. Precious. We're having a little snooze, waiting to go back into the nest. Look at that. so here we have Ant. Time again, it's the 22nd of March, so Ant is now 5 weeks old and should be almost ready to hear with the other family members, but Ant does not seem too keen, which is quite interesting. Normally they're... Sorry, darling. You don't want to go. You want to see your siblings, right? So I'm bringing Ant out here, but Ant isn't, doesn't do a great deal of eating. So what do you think? Huh? It's very unusual because all of the babies until now, this is the longest it's gone since the babies wanted to. Go on. Off you go. You ready? Go on. Go, go, go. What the hell? Stop it. Here we go. So that might be apple. Oh, here's Ant. The Ant's not quite ready for the big house yet. So Anna and Ella snuggling up to big sibling Audrey, or Aura, who has spent a couple hours out here in the just chilling, but it's a bit overwhelming. And I am going to bring Ant in for the night, just because Ant's not doing an awful lot. And of course, if anybody's interested in the Budgies, obviously, if you're watching the YouTube, please do drop a comment down below, and also please hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and hit the notification bell. There you go, to follow the goings on in the soap saga that is Budgie Central 123 from East Sussex in England. Right, so it's just gone 6 on the 22nd, and we've got the 4 youngsters in all snuggled up, and we've got Ant snuggling up to Anna back there, because they're just 5 weeks. The yellow and green are 5 weeks just, and Ella and Anna, the blue and white, have just turned 4 weeks old, so they're getting there, almost ready to go out. Jack is up there. We've got Prince and Sheila, who are sitting here nicely. We've got enough spinach. I think everybody's got enough spinach, as it happens. So we're going to say goodnight, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Gorgeous. And Levincello is on her 2 eggs, aren't you, darling? Yes, you are. Nice clean nest. Good girl. Alright, no, stay there, just relax. I'm going to shut the nut thing and I'm going to go. And just say goodnight to Sheila and Princess 4. Sorry. Hello, baby. Have a little tiny clear out. Hold on. Alright, darling. You stay behind, don't you? Okay. And last but not least, on this Wednesday night, I'm just going to check on the little tigers. Oh, look at you all. You're all next to the entrance. Hey? We've got the eldest. I'm gonna, I'll save the ages tomorrow. I'm gonna double check my diary.